How about it?
Name it 3 left.
Roll one.
Smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one. We all just having fun because there's tornadoes coming. I got 'em. Hey, did you notice this? Look, this thing was still in there, so we put the picture on the outside. But we gonna see how long it takes me to notice it.
Ain't nobody knows.
Hey guys, tell the camera all about what we just survived, Lacey.
No
I
comment.
just started. We survived the tornado. Thanks to me, because I drove down here.
Yeah, I'm quite down a little bit.
So that one time, and I was like,
If it wasn't for Lacey, we'd be dead right now.
This next one might line was that. So
no, we can't be bragging, you know, we gotta bag over and chill, because they're still coming everywhere.
Jinx yourself. Hell wrong with you.
I wonder how long it can take you to notice it.
You son of a gun.
You shouldn't have said that.
Y'all would never know.
You said that after I say that, I know that you done something. Hey mama, hey mama. Oh, she's really sleepy.
So raise your glass if you are taught
What's
in
wrong with
any
you? You gonna
road.
sit back and have your wine cooler and go out with your boots on.
Yep, I was kicking them off.
Well, I ain't gonna be on no more. So y'all, we should like play some board games.
I know, for real, I recorded it. Dude, we already done 1 minute of this video. 2 minutes.
Like it's snow there.
I might try spending the money on my have the option.
Oh, do you have Twister? Do you have Twister? Dadgummit.
Oh man, I haven't played Twister in too long.
Challenge.
Let's do the cinnamon challenge.
What's the cinnamon
When
challenge?
you get a spoonful of cinnamon down, you can hold it in your mouth. Let's do it, y'all. Come on.
Oh, I want to do that. I want to do it. Jamie wants to do
Why'd you say me?
Damn.
I'm not the one being loud.
it. Yeah, Lacey.
I'm sorry.
He just drunk something.
What happened to the news?
Ooh, let's see if there's anything exciting going around in here. Austin! Ooh, stick your tongue out at me. Let's see what Lacey's doing. The what? Is that cinnamon? What is it? It's that air freshener. Really, Lacey?
It's supposed to squirt, but I don't want to try to figure it out. Oh, it's just squirting. What? What?
Austin just took your phone.
No, it didn't.
How would you
It's in my
know?
pocket.
Dang it. Thought I could fool you.
This is Channel 2.
Oh, it went on.
We'll put it on Channel 5.
This is a new storm that's coming in. We're starting to see some indications of rotation, not necessarily in this storm, but in some farther to the west. We'll show you that. I'll tell you about
Bless
this.
you.
Thank you.
Is capable of
My allergies are active.
It's a mini trampoline. I just noticed that.
the
Yeah, they got it for exercise or something, didn't they?
Mama, did they airplanes in there with clothes on it?
Well, I, for one, just want my
I
t-shirt.
Treadmill there with a bunch of clothes on
You
it.
got the thing on your boobies and not your face.
I didn't
Wrong way. I'm so
money on
sorry.
my truck. I'll tell you that right now. I just spent it on my truck.
Austin, get on there and show me how to do it. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, Lord.
Bounce on it.
This is going to be funny.
I know, but you got a thing here. I bet it does something or another.
You got this leg sitting on it.
Oh, no, I don't.
You're taking a suit with you.
I want to jump on that.
Oh, you turn this around.
Lift the leg up. Okay.
Man, this is the best 10 minutes ever.
Yeah, you gotta reset it.
Oh, Lord, here he goes.
I don't know what things are going against them.
Yeah.
Get down and jump like a midget.
No, it's elastic band.
My turn next.
On the damn
It's a
thing.
band.
My turn.
That's stupid.
Lacey, you gonna record
Well,
me?
there's springs all the way around it.
It ain't open. You gotta turn it on.
It is on what? 10?
See it,
Well,
Cam?
you counting how many jumps?
Yeah.
I wanna do it.
Me too.
I did 22. This is how you do this stuff.
I want one of
What was
them.
that supposed to do?
It's supposed to
Work
be
out
on.
your-
I just want the trampoline.
Yeah, I'll give you that back
Let
there.
me see. I'm gonna do it. Let me see. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Get off.
Oh.
How do you reset it?
What is that, rubber band?
Yeah, you make a chicken thing out of it, man.
It says I'm already
it's just
done.
glass.
5, 6, 7, 8. So you do this or something. I don't know.
Yeah. That ain't you had to
You
keep
count
mouse on it.
Oh, wait, so let me show you how a pro does it.
I thought about seeing if I could use this for a chicken leash for a rooster.
Wrap it in it down.
I've done it.
Yeah.
I know what you're supposed to do.
I got 33.
Cool.
I got 100 and some last night.
Go in the extra room and lay down. Mama,
Y'all hot?
we don't need to go nowhere.
Yeah, I'm burned up.
I lowered the fan.
I love the fan.
No, I said I lowered the fan. Y'all ain't gonna sit on the fan. The stop's about right here.
Ooh, armpit hair. And I got that
It's counting
recorded.
and I barely even do anything.
Ooh, I want to try jumping now.
You want to?
Mhm. Alright, you record me.
So how do I?
Reset. My turn. Don't hit your head, Jamie.
Oh, I'll try not to. Do I look pretty?
Yeah, you look gorgeous.
I believe you back in Hi, Lacey.
How about it, Slick?
It's so fun. Hi. You know, this is really hurting my back.
I love you, Eric. Hey, how about it? Never mind.
You scared me.
Mama, there's more storms coming.
I don't care.
I do. I don't want to go home.
I'm not sitting here, Lacey.
We'll go lay down.
11 o'clock.
We'll go lay down.
No.
Well, then quit complaining.
It's so fun. Me eating trampoline, I feel like Fred.
Here, hold on to that, okay?
Oh man, it's hurting my back now. How many did you see? Oh my.
48.
How many did you do?
That's the last one.
He's like no fun at all. Sometimes. Well, excuse you.
I wouldn't be close to this.